I think it's trademarked. But good morning, Vietnam! And this is where you talk. Look, that's where the green you put the green in there. That power steering right there, look, it kind of looks like caramel apple. There's a shriveled up flower stuck in there. Probably parked underneath the tree, but whatever. I mean, I just want to go to Asia and just see how they do it.
So the more technical side of this.
Yeah, anyways, yeah.
It's a 2004 Subaru Impreza TS. Which I think they're all all-wheel drive.
Well, whatever.
Which I think
pretty dope, I think.
still thinks Jesus Christ. It stands for totally slow.
It stands for all-wheel drive.
So
That's what AWD stands for. All-wheel drive. Shoot. Stuck in mud, snow, nothing.
So we got it with a misfire for $750. It's got 165,000 miles on it. The power steering is leaking, as you can see, and it has a misfire. So we got Tim putting in the plugs now, the wires actually, I should say.
The artist I'll never be. I'm so sorry I never stayed. Overreact and just walk away. Take me back to the place I know. I have the power to let things go. I'm so lost I can't see the shore. You know what that means, we've been here before. My self-restraint, I think we're done, then you add more paint. I calm down and watch it dry, and there it is, my love, 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 love.
Here's the old head that was removed. You can see the problem right here. This is why we were getting no compression. It's a pretty big chunk. I did look at the piston, and it didn't look bad at all. I believe what happened was it broke and fell just right into the exhaust. Is my assumption. It might have been up when it broke and it just kind of got... There is a lot of excess carbon you can see on there. I removed the head on this side already, put a new head gasket in there. I just got this head back from the machine shop, threw it on there, and I noticed all the valve clearances are not good. So I'm gonna have to redo the valve clearances on the driver's side head, which was the bad head. All right, everything seems to be put. Everything seems to be put back together, so we're gonna try to start it. I had 0 leftover bolts and nuts and anything, so that's a plus. And I think I got every connector. There wasn't too many, so we'll see. Now let's figure out the next problem.